Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply deposit USDT in Quotex. It's quite easy. All you need to do is make use of your browser by simply opening up your browser and logging on to the qxbroker.com. And once you're there, please make sure you verify your account. And once you've done this, head over to the icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once you've logged on to the bottom right corner of the screen, click on the deposit option, which is just here. Once you've selected the deposit option, you can simply scroll through and simply deposit USDT here by simply selecting any of the various networks. As you can see, we have USDT Tether, which is the ERC20. So click on the USDT Tether. You could make use of any of the other networks to deposit your USDT. So now you could simply set the amount in your local currency, which is based on your region. You could set the amount you wish to receive by simply putting in the amount you wish to receive. And once you've done that, you could scroll down and check the minimum deposit. As you can see, the minimum deposit is $10, but since we are working with the ERC20 network, it's about $30 or $40 minimum. So once you've taken note of this, you could then simply click on the deposit option here and then simply copy the wallet address, which is this. Copy this address. And once you've copied the address, you minimize. You could open up any wallet or any centralized exchange. And the wallet I'm working with is the Trust Wallet. So we open up Trust Wallets and the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, we're going to be searching for USDT. And now we're going to be searching for USDT on the ERC20 network, which is the Ethereum network. As you can see here, this is the USDT we're looking for. Simply scroll through and select this toggle here. By selecting this toggle, we've activated the USDT on the ERC20 network. We've activated it. And all you need to do apart from activating this is to make sure you have Ethereum. So simply close this and search for ETH. That's Ethereum. Scroll through and you can find your Ethereum here. Enable the Ethereum. Click on this Ethereum and please make sure you have some Ethereum on your wallet so you can make the transfer possible. And with that, once you've done that, once you have Ethereum on your wallet, you could search for USDT. Again, the ERC20, click on this option, click on the send option, paste the address, enter the amount of USDT you wish to send, 50 USDT, click on the continue option, and then proceed to pay the gas fees, which are $4, and click on top up your Ethereum. If you do not have Ethereum on your Trust Wallet, you could simply select the top up Ethereum option and simply click on buy Ethereum with your card. And now you can buy your Ethereum using a third-party provider. So guys, that's how you can simply deposit USDT on Quotex and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.